Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV, them boy, them people every day, them get up on my name. Every day.
But I have 10 blood clot, man, Rosealee. And I just see fucking big woman and left died of Rosa. Chabombo Ras clot. Lady P. Lady P. Chop pussy clot. Blood clot, Lady P. If me have such a good man in a this, Rosealee, if you come for me, I'll come for you. But me still I got apologize and mix up your name like this right now. You understand, Rosealee? I'm a G. And Rosealee, big up your blood clot self. Come me like a blood clot video where me see how your blood clot picnic. I dance, me love blood clot that. And since me send out my blood clot video, me see I dance with your blood clot picnic. Dance with the blood clot picnic. You hear me? No matter how me cuss on a blood clot, me no mean no arm. And that me want blood clot telling you. At the end of the blood clot there. Cause if anything happen to no blood clot, me see him when I pray for no. But God blood clot no say. You still hear the blood clot P. Lady P no look for no blood clot prayer for me. Now look for no prayer for me if nothing blood clot happen to you. You know why? Me I watch the blood clot media and I pay up you talk about and as blood clot people say nothing about you. You go send this to them and say, Lady P I go crash and dead to blood clot. God forgive me, cause you know me not talk so. You can't get a prayer out of them out here. Before that, me don't listen to your blood clot story if anything happened to you. So Rosealee, big up your blood clot self and do more video with your child. Do more video with your blood clot child. That's all me can talk about. But come off a Rosealee, you end up on blood clot, Lady P. Lady P. You said me not have that good man, ya Lady P. Me have 10 blood clot man right now. 10 man. Cause one thing me tell a blood clot girl and a boy say, and the world say, me not have my blood clot pussy and suffer in a blood clot life. Me nah have my blood clot body and cut through certain blood clotting if I that me supposed to blood clot do. Cause me nah sit down and know say me a wait and nothing nah blood clot come through. Cause my pussy nah all up and ribble up and stress out and blood clot a pain in there and a blood clot pressure nah kill me a blood clot. But show me have a good blood clot man. Lady P, this is why me not have 10 man. A man no want you, and then want me, Lady P. You see how somehow no blood clot look good, girl. You somehow no look good because where blood clot put Lady P through all this stress and blood clot pain. Me ear to no blood clot. Because at the end of the day, she's still a woman, but okay, we can't do nothing blood clot about it. We can't do nothing about it, Papa. You know, blood clot come down. Lady P, your mama send for the blood clot package and get the wrong blood clot package. And my mama send for the blood clot package and get the right blood clot package from my daddy. Yeah, wrong blood clot package, blood clot Lady P. Walla black under your dirty blood lad. Walla black so good. So good walla blood cat black. Walla black so good. Walla black so good. So good go walla black. And go run up your blood clot head. Me go make your daddy suck out your pussy and spit in your blood clot mouth. Walla blood clot black. Go make your daddy suck you and spit in your blood clot mouth after. Walla blood clot black. Your dirty blood clot you. Dirty bumbo clot you know. Me never come pan this blood clot yet. Not accept pan blood clot me no. Not accept pan blood clot me no fucking idiot. Or what? When I wait and I cuss somebody if say something about me. See me and blood clot trouble me. Find something for blood clot say. Me not tell you when fi say something and when not fi something, cause me no blood clot here. Take a block and go and suck your daddy and make your daddy suck you and breed your dirty blood clot. Me take set pan people, right? But did I take set pan your dirty mouth, girl? Or dirty mouth boy? Where if you's a man and a collect pee rather if it's a blood clot, woman where your daddy a suck out your pussy, you suck out your daddy cocky and spit it on a one mouth and a breed you. Me take set pan blood clot, you know. Are you near lady pee? Are you near lady blood clot, please? A blood clot, Ivan, you teach me for black out on a blood clot. Yeah, Ivan, you teach me. Black on a blood clot. Me no know blood clot, mute. Till after light, black out on a blood clot. Ivan is teaching me. Can me realize, say, when your mouth no nice and you love it, but you still want to watch it, woman, but you want to comment for your favorite. Wall a black under your pussy hole. Bless up blood clot Ivan. And let me feel like us blood clot Ivan. None of you can tap me, but for now, bless up Ivan to blood clot. Ivan, you madam blood clot. Ivan, not do your nice clean blood clot. Baby, you're a Jamaican and I know you sit down and say, feel me baby this, while them and blood clot mad out. Make them blood clot mad out, girl. Do the things they mad out, them blood clot. All me I beg you just take him from the phone. And me realize, you see your Ivan, me realize what you do. Me see you take time and shift the baby on the phone and me love blood clot that. Me never sense me see the do the video, but since me do the video, me see them, what you mean? What your blood clot mean, Ivan? Show them say you can do it. Show them say you can blood clot do it. And you're gonna be one of the best blood clot mother. I don't talk about your blood clot baby head big. Your baby head supposed to big. It's supposed to blood clot big. Cause I need a blood clot big brain. And nothing wrong with a blood clot baby head. The baby is just a baby, no. So even if you favor him blood clot daddy now, by the time he start growing, start look like him blood clot mama. And if you favor him mama now, by the time he start looking him start, you can't see things from baby yet. You don't know the blood clot girl. On a lower, Ivan, the baby is the #1 blood clot baby on the internet. The baby with the heap of blood clot Gerber them, the baby them with the blood clot huggies them, and the baby with the heap of blood clot close them. So I'm dirty lady P, you can't call Ivan and beg her somebody close them. Can you not see Ivan and I repeat no close on the blood clot baby. You no see, you no blood clot see. And you know me love with Ivan too. When Ivan is feeding him baby from the breast, you no can blood clot see. And let me tell you something, Ivan. Let me tell you something. Make her screenshot this way, me go say and said it to her. Ivan, I know say the baby porridge boil. You hear? Make the blood clot big man tell you. Me know you're a big man. You see porridge with flour and caramel, screenshot it. That is for big people, not for young baby, because you can buy him. All you do, Ivan, you take a little caramel and you make the and you make the porridge thin so it can come through the blood clot nipple buckle. But for now, you start feed the baby at first with a little spoon. You understand? Not put no cinnamon and no milk in your baby porridge. Put your baby thin feeding in your baby porridge. Okay? No flour in your baby porridge. Your baby is 3 months, it can bind him. You're supposed no nothing in the baby porridge, no cinnamon, just add a little tip of butter, and your baby feed the milk in your baby porridge watery. Me they want to tell upon that come hear you on the phone, so let me tell you. But go back to dirty worrying, lady P with nothing. And you're doing fucking good, okay? And this is gonna be a nice little growing baby. And when he come set tap up scream, me know you're gonna punch him and make him know. You think me not listen to you? Your baby head don't big. Don't listen to nobody. Your baby is just chubby. Chubby, and by seeing the baby on the phone, I smell your blood clot baby nice. And Raquel baby smell nice too. Bumba clot. Rochelle baby smell nice too. All of the blood clot baby them pan the media smell nice. But me have a blood clot take up for Vany own. We cause so much baby. And we can't believe say she come to be one of the whole up head young baby mother. Big up yourself and bless up. Welcome to the blood clot world. But come back to so-called black heart blood clot Lady P. Lady P, you can't do no video for me. And one video me I take and kill your blood clotted idea. Yeah. And that's the only thing. My man say, alright baby, get it over. Here what you do? Get up the way you is. When I do the first video, my man was passed. I said, baby, I don't want you in it. Go and look like this, please. Look at my pussy, Lady P. Look at my pussy, I call cocky. Look at that pussy and I call cocky. Lady P, look at my blood clot leg them for a big woman. Look at this that not drop down upon them to blood clot, Lady P. That blood clot shoot, Lady P. The woman's skin clean, no blood clot. One of my biggest fantasy in the morning here to right off the bed in Lady P. I go push up Lady P. Me I push up here. Yeah, get them fuck the girl. You can chat to the big man. Lady P, the way my boss is say. You see after me fuck, I just come and look out Lady P. I come and look out through my window. You think you can live like me, Lady P? Eh? Lady P. I think, a dream. You will never get a man in a bed lay down and you're there so naked and look over to the sky and then blood clot there. And a man a look on you. Because there's nothing to look at, Lady P. There's a big, dirty, dry hag. You know, the hag where somebody carrying a bush go blood clot left and every 3 days then go feed them. You are that type of hag. Your mouth white. You're so white in your mouth white and then your teeth then think. When you just put in the braces, me nah lie, them did kind of look like a file paper, but me no know what. It look like a disease take over your whole blood clot body and curse. Disease and curse take over your whole blood clot body, dirty girl. Don't you ever talk about so when TikTok lockdown. Cause them same pussy hole with up on my life can tell us me waste blood clot time with them and give them blood clot joke. And they no bother me. They no blood clot bother me. But me have my time when me just come out and say, me not talk, me want blood clot gift. When you come tell me blood clot, TikTok go lock down for dirty blood clot, Lady P. You have a fridge to show not Lady P? Are you a lady? Lady P. If you ever put out a blood clot video on me, you see? You can't hurt me now. But if you ever dare, I fucking dare you. I dare you, Lady P. I dare you. I fucking dare you, Lady P. Lady P, if you all dress what you have on, I feel put out a blood clot video. I dare you. Put out a video about blood clot me. Make you see the real blood clot big woman. She not hurt you. She just a go kill off your blood clot. I one thing in a Lady P, and you have to give up when it come to blood clot war when it come to me, you know. And you have to give up. And me make you batter your mouth. And I will still come out. And I don't even open my blood clot mouth. And come in a blood clot style. If you ever put out a blood clot video, Mr. Lady P, if you're bad and you're not afraid of me, put a blood clot video out on the media for me and see what happens. Remember, you know, the people are not going to want cussing again, you know. And not cussing, you know. The people want to see your body. Right now, me give you one of the biggest blood clot opportunity this morning. You better make use of blood clot. clot. And the biggest opportunity right now is a big blood clot old woman just strip naked for send on the media to a blood clot young girl. And anyhow, you come out blood clot naked right now. And me read for your blood clot comment. And read for me comment. And even if I won you win me by. Me blood clot I come out on the media and tell you say you beat me. Remember you can't find nothing to beat me, so me strip for you beat me now. See which blood clot one I me cuss right now. Look like a me. If you're a young blood clot to a big woman. That the opportunity you get right now, you go make use of it. Today, can you have a blood clot come off of the media today? And that one thing with the media, they're not idiot. You see, if I naked picture me put out, them I go call upon you to come put out for you now, and then judge me blood clot. I mean, no, say me win already. Me now ask. Me win already. Lady P, me win me 100%. Say me win. Me win you that one, ya Lady P. Me win you that one, ya Lady P. Me now ask you. Me a brag panny. Me win you, Lady P. And Lady P, if you don't feel satisfied with the whole body, we can do a hand video and just send out the hand alone. You send out for your hand and the people and judge you. Me win you upon the hand again. And then we can go to the ear and see who are the prettiest ear. Lady P, me beat you by far, and I win that. Me beat you by blood clot far. Me beat you by far, Lady P. Me beat you by far. Please. Me I tell you. Yes. Lady P, if you come out. You know much time I lay down in here and want to hear somebody cuss me and class me to blood clot. Just class me. Class me when all my followers then can comment and say, Lady Grabber, we love you, but me not lie. You get your dope. You get your dope. I know me can't see none of my blood clot followers them I do that. I know. None of you can blood clot cuss me. You no can't cuss me and tell me nothing. Not even if you come from blood clot Mandeville and me on a blood clot party. You no can't cuss me and tell me nothing coming and walk and throat blood clot liquor out on a blood clot body cup of blood clot Mandeville. Man now walk and beg nobody drop me home. Let me see if I don't Lady P this. Me not see Lady P yet. Me not see Lady P yet. When I can't want Lady P send one request. Please, 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 please. Like I said, me na my blood clot community in a Mandeville. And not even Mandeville girl nor Mandeville boy can blood clot cause me. As bad as blood clotting, none of them can say Lady Grabber. I come a party and I throat MLC for blood clot feel big. I be who I blood clot be. How I am. I'm in a blood clot hide. I'm in a buy dragon and Guinness. I'm at half me now buy dragon and throw in a cup like a blood clot anything. Or where do I me a drink a blood clot dragon? Me a blood clot drink. Pussy when me come support you at the end of the blood clot day. Compare to them blood clot day where I come drink out a blood clot cup. Half a man blood clot table. And none of them can say me I walk and blood clot beg them to buy jerk chicken. I drop my blood clot home. If me beg if you drop me home, you see, I helps me got blood clot check at them blood clot party. Man like check at them. And blood clot beanie. And blood clot curvils. And blood clot father bulla. And then blood clot and chinny. And then blood clot black me. Oh, me I left the blood clot car. Same blood clot place. And them have to find a way to carry me home. Right a blood clot where the party can blood clot go on. Accept the blood clot police na Mandeville about me. Accept blood clot police them na Mandeville about me. Hey girl, Lady P. Lady P, look like you see a blood clot coffee where you love. But send blow. Send blow. Lady P, me come your blood clot funeral because you're soon dead. You're soon blood clot dead, Lady P. Because the words them out of your mouth. Hey girl, you know see when you all talk about the obia. You know so your blood clot. Ugly. Remember me a black pussy clot people here. Remember me a blood clot black. Remember me a black. My baby king, me get to you. My baby king, go search my page and call me. My baby king, go search my page and call me. My mind depend you for man with my baby king. A cussing blood clot there. Cussing there, my baby king. Cussing blood clot there. I want a girl cuss me. I want a girl tell me, Uncle blood clot. Uncle blood clot, Carlton Walker. From blood clot, hair shop a royal flat, fuck me. For 9 blood clot ears. I him me give the 500 blood clot stitches. And I wait from blood clot, Carlton Walker. Na pussy wall can't call me name. In a Mandeville blood clot division for 15 blood clot years. Then blood clot Marcus Joseph Henry to blood clot. Fuck me after and still a fuck me. Talk about it. And still have something for blood clot. Sure. And the whole like foreign dog them a fuck blood clot. Lady P, the one like that foreign dog them a fuck Lady P and Lady P and the dog they have blood clot money more than blood clot Lady P and the dog them don't buy you nothing a blood clot. Remember blood clot dog them a foreign richer than blood clot your Lady P and the dog a fuck you and dog no buy you nothing and you want to chat to blood clot woman where a broke blood clot boy a fuck and the pussy hey Lady P your pussy salt your pussy blood clot salt Lady P. Cause Lady P if you pussy the blood clot lucky you wouldn't fuck a man and things no go on and you wouldn't the blood clot suffer. Lady P my pussy bless. Lady P your pussy come like some pussy we a kill blood clot man. Some girl pussy we a kill man. Lady P you can't chat to blood clot me. Lady P, me say no girl can't talk nothing about blood clot me a Mandeville. Can a boy not draw blood clot me. And a boy can't say never, and a girl that Mandeville can't say. They see the boy a wind up a lady grabber. A lady grabber wind the most in a Mandeville dance. Me no careless blood clot dog, Lady P. Me no careless dog. The dog you have a blood clot leech, Lady P. I really go. Now selector can't say them blood clot fuck me Lady P. G Super me blood clot selector. Blood clot dippo. Aggressive. Or blood clot you tab. Jerry Coogan blood clot Sherlock. And me love them gone to bed. Cause pay girl tune them blood clot play. The rest of them you have to run up with pay blood clot gun in at the blood clot party. Lady P a 30. Lady P suck 30 blood clot cock in her mouth. Which blood clot 30? Which 30? Lady P, me at the 30. Give me a blood clot age, Lady P. And take for me blood clot age. Give me your age and take for me blood clot age. You still no blood clot look like it. You still don't look like it, blood clot, Lady P. When you walk and chat to blood clot, Lady Grabber. Oh my God, you're hungry now, blood clot. Lady P, you're hungry. You're hungry, Lady P. You see, listen, you see, foreign garbage. And this goes for anyone at uno. Anyone at uno me cuss. And I put up my blood clot picture. I go teach you something. The picture them then look too sexy. You know, stop doing it. It's too